Save your pickle jars, especially the large ones. They can make beautiful seasonal decor. So when you're done with that jar, the first step is to put it in a bath of warm, soapy water. Make sure you get that pickle odor out of there, and also the warm soapy water is going to help take that label right off. Start by grabbing a roll of contact paper. I really like using this for crafts because it is a temporary adhesive and it's going to work really well to decorate this jar. So I cut out a little star shape and I'm just going to trace it onto the contact paper, and I'm going to cut out about a dozen stars in different sizes. Once the stars are cut out, they work just like stickers. Peel the back off and place them all around your pickle jar. Make sure to push them on really well so there's no bubbles or gaps. Once all the stars are placed, it's time to paint this. We are going to use a frosted glass spray paint. So I've got this in a well-ventilated covered area, and I'm just gonna add about 2 light coats. When you spray this on, it's going to look wet. You're not gonna see that frosted look right away. So once you've got 2 coats on there, grab a tweezer and we're gonna pull off those stars right away. Now that it's completely dry, we have this beautiful frosted glass look with these stars all around it. Now it's time to dress it up and give it a farmhouse look. I'm gonna use some rope from the dollar store and a Christmas sprig with some red berries and some green leaves. I'm just gonna wrap the rope around the top, secure it with a little hot glue, and then snip off a few of the berries and leaves and tuck those into the rope on the top. This is another area where you can really get creative. Use some floral pieces that really work for you. Add a little rope, add a lot of rope, whatever you want to do to match your decor. Once all the embellishments are on, I'm going to use a battery-powered tea light to drop on the inside. And that's it. I've got a beautiful farmhouse lantern for Christmas. I love the glow that it gives off, especially with that frosted glass. Save those pickle jars and turn them into beautiful lanterns for the holiday season. I hope this video has inspired you to go create your own. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.